This clean, low-kilometre, all-wheel drive 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE shows well inside and out, and it looks great in black with chrome trim, roof racks, and 17-inch wheels. Around the back you'll find a color-matched spoiler, a shark fin antenna, rear privacy glass, and LE all-wheel drive badging. Opening the hatch reveals a large cargo bay that's carpeted and includes a retractable security cover. From the driver's side, this sporty compact SUV features projector beam headlights, color-matched mirrors and door handles, and tinted glass. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, the upholstery is in good condition, and it comes equipped with air conditioning, heated sport seats, cruise control, power windows and locks, tilt steering, and an AM/FM CD display audio system with Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, and a backup camera. There's seating for 3 in the back, a drop-down center console, and with 60/40 fold-down seat backs, you can transport larger items. The engine bay is factory fresh and power comes from a fuel-efficient 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine mated to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Don't wait, call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.